Hello, this is a demonstration of how to use the demonstration mode for EdEHR. EdEHR is a simulated health record system designed for learning and not frustration. A couple of the lingo that we use: EHR means electronic health record, LIS means laboratory information system for med lab, hematology, urinalysis type of stuff. LMS is for learning management system. It's a piece of software that is used in schools to manage coursework. The only way to access EdEHR, a real instance, is through a learning management system. This protects the student's privacy and makes the whole setup very simple. EdEHR does not have a login page. Typical or sample LMS applications include Blackboard, Brightspace, Canvas, D2L, and Moodle. The demo mode is going to provide a simulated LMS, but with the real instance of EdEHR. So during the demonstration, I'm going to show you how to find the demo state, open the demo mode, simulate the login to your learning management system, and changing your learning management system roles. And then I'll show you a simulated learning management system page, and then we'll get into the EdEHR. The demonstration is not going to do a lot about EdEHR itself. For that, I'll tell you after this demonstration how to access other videos which can give you background in using EdEHR, starting with the student one. So we're going to jump into the demonstration right now. I'm going to start off with the URL. It's demo.edehr.org. So bookmark that. When you come here, you'll see a button called Full Demonstration. Quite simple. Click to come in. This warning dialog is just to let you know that you're creating a temporary instance of the EdEHR in your own browser, and it's not saved. So if you're doing any real work, make sure you make backups of your work. Okay. The instance is good for 10 or so days, and I'll explain what happens when the time's out. This is the simulated learning management system login screen, and we have created for you, for your convenience, 2 user groups: instructor, student, and 5 users. I'll start off with and this is where I recommend you start. Use a student view, log in as a student, and log in. Now you've logged in as a student into your school's learning management system. That's a pretend. And pretend that someone in your school has already created 2 courses, one for lab information systems and one for EHR, nursing, therapy, farm tech, etc. I'm going to sample this, and we're going to go into the, jump into one of the sample activities for EHR. And I want to just point out that this is the lab information system. As soon as you click into this link, we're going to go into the real EHR, just as you would do if you were in your school. Boom, you are in EdEHR, this demonstration instance. As I said, I'm not going to talk an awful lot about how to navigate the EdEHR. I'll refer you to another video about that. This is about using the demo. You can tell it's a demo because it says so at the top. There is a link to information, guidance, and when you're in demo, there's a demonstration button at the top of the bar, and that brings you back into the sign-in page, which allows you to sign in, say, as an instructor. I'll log in, and this time I'll click into the application as an instructor. And again, I'm not going to talk about how faculty and content creators use the instructor's dashboard, but you can see how quick and easy it is to be either a student or a faculty member. I will dive into one thing. We do have a video on YouTube about using this button in the top right corner. When you click this, you are switching your role as faculty, and this is in the real EHR, and this is really a useful feature. You become a student in your instance of that activity, and everything behaves just as usual. And that, again, is discussed in some other YouTube videos that we have. So I went back to my normal role as a teacher, and I'm going to go back to my learning management system. Not all of the learning management systems support the information that EdEHR needs to use that back to LMS. But I'm back to here. Now, after a period of time, your session here will expire, and you'll see an error message, and you'll go to the point where you'll get back home, and you'll actually do a reset, and that exits the full demo. Log out, and I'm back to the beginning of the page. So just to summarize, we have a YouTube channel. Yeah, so go to YouTube and search for @EdEHR, and I suggest you start with the student orientation. I want to say thanks. If you have any questions, you can send them to support@edehr.org. And don't forget the demonstration website is demo.edehr.org. Thanks a lot.